Selena, Class 10, Chapter 18, Tangents and Intersecting Chords. Sum number 11. Two circles intersect each other at point A and B. A straight line PAQ cut the circle at P and Q. If the tangent at P and Q intersects at point P, show that point P, B, Q and T are concyclic. Joint AB, PB, BQ. TP is the tangent and PA is the chord. Therefore, angle TPA is equal to ABP. Let that be equation 1, angles in alternate segment. Similarly, angle TQA is equal to angle ABQ. Let that be equation 2, angle in alternate segments. Adding 1 and 2, angle TPA plus angle TQA is equal to angle ABP plus angle ABQ. In triangle PTQ, sum of all the three angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Angle TPA plus angle TQA plus angle PTQ equal to 180 degree. But angle TPA plus angle TQA is what? PBQ. PBQ is equal to 180 minus PTQ. That implies angle PBQ plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. But they are opposite angles of the quadrilateral. Therefore, PBQT are cyclic. Hence, points PBQT are concyclic. Sum number 12. In the figure, PA is the tangent to the circle, PBC is a secant, AD is bisects angle BAC. Show that the triangle PAD is an isosceles triangle. Also show that angle CAD is half angle PBA minus angle PAB. First part, PA is the tangent and AB is the chord. Therefore, angle PAB is equal to angle C. Let that be equation 1, angles in the alternate segment. AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Let that be equation 2. In triangle ADC, exterior angle ADP is equal to angle C plus angle 1. Exterior angle ADP is equal to angle C is equal to angle PAB. So instead of angle C we have written PAB. Instead of angle 1 we have written angle 2, which is equal to PAD. Therefore, exterior angle ADP is equal to PAD. These two angles are equal. Therefore, triangle PAD is an isosceles triangle. In triangle ABC, exterior angle PBA is equal to angle C plus angle BAC. Therefore, BAC is equal to angle PBA minus C. What is angle BAC? Angle BAC is angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle PBA minus angle C is equal to PAB. So we have written here instead of angle C, angle PAB. These two angles are equal. Therefore, 2 times angle 1 is equal to angle PBA minus angle PAB. 1 time angle 1 is equal to half into angle PBA minus angle PAB. Angle 1 is what? CAD. The CAD is equal to half into angle PBA minus angle PAB. Sum number 13. Two circles intersect each other at point A and B. The common tangent touches the point P and Q as shown in the figure. Show that angle PAQ and PBQ are supplementary. Joint AB. PQ is a tangent and AB is a chord. Therefore, angle QPA is equal to angle PBA. Let that be equation 1, angles in alternate segment. Similarly, angle PQA is equal to angle QBA. Let that be equation 2. Adding 1 and 2, we get angle QPA plus angle PQA is equal to angle PBA plus angle PQBA. In triangle PAQ, angle QPA plus angle PQA is equal to 180 minus angle PAQ. Let that be equation 3. And angle PBA plus angle QBA is equal to angle PBQ. Let that be equation 4. From 3 and 4, angle PBQ is equal to 180 minus angle PAQ. Implies angle PAQ plus angle PBQ equal to 180 degree. Hence, angle PAQ and PBQ are supplementary. Sum number 14. In the figure, chord AE and BC intersects each other at point D. If angle CDE is equal to 90 degree, AB equal to 5 centimeter, BD equal to 4 centimeter, CD equal to 9 centimeter, find DE. Second part, if AD is equal to BD, show that AE is equal to BC. Joint AB. In right triangle ADB, AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square, which is 5 square equal to AD square plus 4 square. AD square equal to 25 minus 16 equal to 9. AD equal to 3. Therefore, AD is 3. Chord AE and CB intersects each other at D inside the circle. Therefore, AD into DE is equal to BD into DC. 3 into DE is equal to 4 into 9. DE is equal to 12 centimeter. Second part, if AD is equal to BD, what the equation we have? AD into DE is equal to BD into DC. If these two are equal, then DE is equal to BC. Let that be equation 2. Adding 1 and 2, we get AD plus BE is equal to BD plus DC. Implies AE is equal to BC. Sum number 15. Circles with center P and Q intersects at point A and B as shown in the figure. CBD is a line segment and EBM is a tangent to the circle with center Q at point B. If the circles are congruent, show that CE is equal to BD. Joint AB and AD. EBM is a tangent and BD is a chord. Therefore, angle BDM is equal to angle BAD, angles in alternate segments. But angle DBM is equal to angle CBE, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle BAD is equal to angle CBE. Since in the same circle or congruent circle, if the angles are equal, then chord opposite to them are also equal. Therefore, CE is equal to BD. Sum number 16. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle and AB is the tangent to it at point D. Angle BDC is 65 degree. Find angle BAO. AB is a straight line, therefore angle ADE plus angle BDE is 180 degree. Therefore angle ADE plus 65 is equal to 180 degree. Implies angle ADE is equal to 115 degree. Let that be equation 1. AB or DB is a tangent to the circle at point D and BC is the diameter. Therefore, angle DBC equal to 90 degree. In triangle BDC, angle DBC plus angle BDC plus angle DCB equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 65 plus angle DCB equal to 180 degree. Implies angle DCB is 25 degree. OE is equal to OC. Therefore, angle OCB, therefore, angle DCB, which is equal to ECO is equal to angle OCE equal to 25 degree. Also, angle OCE C is equal to angle DEA 25 degree. Let that be equation 2, vertically opposite angle. In triangle ADE, angle ADE plus angle DEA plus angle DAE is equal to 180 degree. From 1 and 2, 115 plus 25 plus angle DAE equal to 180 degree. Implies angle DAE or BAO is equal to 180 minus 140 equal to 40 degree. Implies angle BAO is equal to 40 degree.